Hi guys, I hope you're doing really well. I know this is a bit different from my normal videos, but I've come across a great way of helping charities online with a very low to no effort. Basically, what it is you install this extension in your browser. This is called Gener8. There's a link in the description. And what happens is over time, as you're scrolling through the internet and you come across certain ads from certain companies, what it does is it replaces them with a tiny little picture of a doggy. It works on banner ads. It works on ads that you appear in the sides of websites, especially if you go through a lot of news websites. You read a lot of news articles, and what happens is as you're going through these websites, as you're going through these news articles, what it does is it basically you generate points, and what you can do is you can use those points in order to support a charity of your choice. They usually have 3 charities each month that they support, and you can support one of those charities. Anyone who basically starts work using Gener8 with my referral link, which I've put in the information, basically that will send both of us like 10 credits, which is approximately £1 or 50 pence worth of money that we can put towards a charity, which is really cool. Now, if you know anything about me, I make music for independent films, and I'm usually making this for free. I'm basically been doing this for the past 10 years. And I've always been working towards stuff and doing it for free consistently, and I'm very much for charity work, so I would highly recommend looking into Gener8 and maybe giving it a shot if you want to help charities for nothing, or spreading the word if you want to get a couple of the extra perks that you can get from Gener8. Anyway, I hope you have a fantastic day and that this video is helpful. Basically, the thing that I really like is I've been because I do social media stuff for people. I'm always looking through news websites, things like that. So I'm earning quite a lot of these different tokens, which is really cool. And I just thought, well, if I get the word out to other people, I can basically earn more tokens more quickly, and I can give out more stuff. There's none of the charities in the past months or 2 months I've really wanted to support myself. Before that, there was the PDSA. I think they're a great charity, so I could put money towards that. And there was Greenpeace as well. Greenpeace is a charity that I really want to support, so I'm waiting for them to come back round, and I'll be able to send them a huge chunk of this generated income, which is really cool. Anyway, it is a legitimate thing, so it is a really cool, and I think it's absolutely amazing. Anyway, if you're interested in getting it, you got a referral link to the extension below, and you can pretty much install that into your Chrome browser, and when you're going through the internet, you will basically start generating this stuff. You can give it to whichever charities you like, and I think that this is really cool. And yeah, the charities change each month, and if you start spreading the word as well, there will be other perks and things that you can access. And am I looking to access a couple of those little perks? Maybe just a couple, but the thing is, the main reason that I'm spreading this is because it's a great way to earn stuff for people who want to support charities and want to help out. And I just thought, well, as a group of people, most of the people who use my music, we're all independent filmmakers, so I thought, well, you know, I'm sure you guys would love to help charities out as well, because I mean, the majority of independent filmmakers that I know generally seem to be quite selfless people, and I really like it. So anyway, I might make some more videos like this if you find this interesting, or if I come across anything else. Leave some comments, let me know what you think. It would be very interesting to see how this, which is a very big deviation from what I normally do, affects the people who normally watch my channel. Anyway, have a fantastic day, you take care, and yeah, give it a shot. What's the worst that can happen? Anyway, catch you later.